Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the PIN for your Valora Wallet application. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Valora Wallet application but you are not asked to enter your PIN, then this is because you have not set it to ask for a PIN every time you open up the app. From the application page, if you tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings, this will show you the option underneath Security. Here you can tap on Require PIN on App Open, and this will make it so that every time you open up the app, you will need to enter the PIN for the Valora application. However, if you have forgotten your PIN, then in order to reset it, you will simply need to uninstall the Valora application once and then reinstall it once again. Or go into the application info page and then tap on Storage. From the storage, you will simply need to tap on Clear Data and then the Delete button, and this will remove the Valora Wallet account from your application. Now simply open up the Valora Wallet application once again and you will be asked to set up a new PIN. After setting up your new PIN and your biometrics, you will be allowed to enter your seed phrase to get access to your old account, and only with this method you can change the PIN if you have forgotten it. So make sure that you have your 12-word seed phrase ready in order to reset your Valora PIN. And there you have it. That is how you can reset the PIN of your Valora wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.